Multiple motor structure display cabinets. Conduct a semi-dissection and disassembly for different drive motors to understand the different motor structures and component structures, as well as the differences and characteristics of the motors. At the same time, it contains rich theoretical teaching resources corresponding to 4 kinds of motors. The motor is a 3-phase AC permanent magnet synchronous motor, and after semi-dissection, the component structure and connection relationship can be seen. The motor is a 3-phase AC asynchronous motor, and after partial dissection, the connection between the encoder and rotor can be observed, solving the problem of where the sensor is in the motor. The disassembly part is the disassembly part of the 3-phase AC permanent magnet synchronous motor, and the stator, rotor, front end cover, back end cover, sensor and other parts are placed separately. Adjacent are the disassembly parts of the switched reluctance motor, which are arranged according to the motor structure. To better understand the working principle of the motor, the disassembly parts of the AC permanent magnet motor can be compared with the structure and principle of 3-phase AC permanent magnet motor. The rotor of each motor is different. You can use a multimeter to detect the polarity of the rotor, and you can also learn different sensor principles. Through semi-dissection, it can be observed that the structure of the switch reluctance motor is simple and suitable for situations that require frequent start-stop and forward divided by reverse switching operation. DC traction motors are not only used in transportation, but also in various fields such as manufacturing, home appliances, and healthcare. The display cabinet contains 4 kinds of theoretical teaching resources related to motors. Each motor can be clicked to learn internal knowledge. Use the model to show the structure of the motor, the various principles of the motor work. Similarly, the AC permanent magnet motor is structurally the same as other motors. Learning the structure and rotation principles, as well as the sensor principle. Each motor contains different content, which is the focus.